Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted notes on your iPhone. All right, so let's begin with the video. There are two ways in this video I'll explain for how you can recover notes. So, for example, let's go and delete this note at the top here. I'll swipe across on it from right to left, and I then pressed on the delete button. So I've now gone and deleted it. When you go and delete a note, it's then moved into the recently deleted folder. You've got 30 days to recover it before it's permanently deleted. If you want to recover it, all you need to do is go to the top left and click on Folders just up here. You will then see a list, and as you can see, one of the options is Recently Deleted. So we can click there, and you can then see the notes you've deleted. Then if you want to recover it, you can click on Edit in the top right, select the note, press Move in the bottom left, and then select Notes. It will then be moved back, and you've recovered it. You can go look at it again, and it's that simple. However, if you've deleted it from the recently deleted folder, or it's been more than 30 days and it's been automatically deleted, then the only way you can recover it is if you had backed up your phone after creating that note and before deleting it. In that case, you could restore your phone to that backup, and the note would be there. Before you restore, you should back up everything now, and then you can restore to an older version. You can then save the note and restore your iPhone to the more recent version you just backed up. So that's basically how you can recover deleted notes on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.